While it's snowing outside, we're gonna be inside installing an onboard air system into this brand new Jeep Gladiator. We've got this Gladiator behind us in the shop again. Our first build consisted of a lift, wheels, tires, and a bumper and winch. I think the truck is awesome, and it'd be one that I'd love to own. Today, we're gonna be installing onboard air with everything from ARB. As you can see, we've got it all unpacked here. The ARB twin compressor, the pump-up kit, tank, and mounting brackets, hoses, fittings, everything we need. This is an awesome kit, and it would be totally awesome if ARB would bundle it as one part number. Wink, wink, ARB. Make one part number. So we're gonna be doing the whole install. This compressor is gonna be going under the seat. The tank's gonna be going under the vehicle, and it will make for a really nice kit to have onboard air. Onboard air is super important because after a long day of wheeling and your tires are deflated, it's really important to be able to pump your tires up and drive home. We're gonna be following along as Mike does the install. We're gonna be ripping the seats out, a whole bunch of stuff to make this thing work. It's a great kit, and it's something that if you have a Gladiator or JL, that you should consider for your Jeep as well. The Gladiator onboard air install is all wrapped up, and the project turned out pretty sweet. This kit from ARB is an awesome way to add air to your Jeep. Let me walk you through exactly what we did so we can get kind of an idea as to exactly where this goes and what it looks like. First thing we'll show you is the onboard air compressor. It's under the passenger seat. How slick is that? All you can see right there is the little female chuck sticking out. Underneath the seat is the compressor, the mounting bracket, and the manifold. The switch to turn the air compressor on is right next to that. So right here, you can turn it on and off. We have it wired to ignition so that the ignition has to be on to be able to turn that switch on. Why don't you get a nice up close shot of exactly what that looks like. Under the seat is the perfect spot for the air compressor. It's out of the elements, and when you're inside the Jeep, isn't too loud. So I really like how that works. We also got this guy, the pump up kit. This has the hose that plugs right into that air chuck. So he's got everything that he needs to make it all work. The second part of this kit is the tank. Now they make this tank to fit right on the cross member underneath the Jeep. And it's a nice tight fit. You could use that tank on any model Jeep, but I think if it was a diesel model, you wouldn't be able to mount it where ARB specifies. We had a diesel JL in earlier this week, and we did an onboard air setup, and we opted to go with a different aftermarket tank because it was a little bit bigger and we could change the mounting location. All in all, this is gonna be a perfect solution for exactly how this guy uses the Jeep. This Jeep is from the crew out at Solid Performance. If you're into dirt bikes, these guys are your go-to guys. They do a lot with KTM and gas and all sorts of dirt bike racing. So if you're interested in dirt bikes, check out Solid Performance. They can definitely hook you guys up. Thanks for watching this video. This is all you need to know about onboard air in your Gladiator. If you have any questions, be sure to put them in our comment section. For anything else, check us out on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Lastly, our website, our showcase section has a ton of cool builds that may give you inspiration for a project of your very own. Thanks for watching. Happy trails.